Atlantic Styro är på Lovund.
Atlantic Styro is based on the island Lovund in Norway. We produce EPS packaging for fish. Atlas Copco helps us produce that packaging in a sustainable way.
Atlantic Styro is based in a rough and challenging part of the world. Add to that a production process that is equally difficult and demanding.
Producing expanded polystyrene is a hot and humid process, and we need vacuum to evacuate the steam that's used.
Not many vacuum solutions can handle those kinds of circumstances. But Atlas Copco's LRP VSD Plus liquid ring pumps rise to the occasion.
LRP VSD Plus
The LRP VSD Plus series is perfect for humid, wet, and harsh applications. Applications where liquids and even solids can be carried over to the pump. The robust design of the LRP VSD Plus ensures high reliability and high vacuum uptime.
When you're this far north, you need products and partners you can rely on. Luckily for Atlantic Styro, Atlas Copco is a one-stop shop.
Atlas Copco is a total solutions provider. We take care of all of the needs of our customers. Here at Atlantic Styro, we did not only install a vacuum solution, but also 3 energy-efficient air compressors, an air dryer, and an oil separator. That also means maintenance can be organized much more efficiently. Just one technician can service the complete installation in a single visit. That is a huge advantage, especially in remote locations as here on this island.
Reliable, robust, ready for anything. When the going gets tough, Atlas Copco gets going.